this technology-driven, rapid-changing world, innovation is key for success. The digital transformation of the world is a perfect environment for us. The seekers, the dreamers. We have devices to keep us connected, but the organic feel of paper sparks our creativity. What if we could have the best of both worlds at the touch of our fingertips? Introducing SmartPad 2.0, a revolutionary new way to take notes, keep charged, and be inspired. Thoughtfully designed to ensure maximum workflow efficiency, with built-in wireless charging technology never seen before in a leather-bound folio. State-of-the-art components encased on premium calf leather. Smooth brass zippers enable an extremely well-designed assembly. A unique internal layout has been completely redesigned, resulting in a second-generation infinity paper notes. High-tech functionality on traditional craftsmanship creates a truly user-friendly design that maximizes your output without sacrificing the feel and freedom of paper notes. We created the SmartPad 2.0 to help you reach your full potential. Empower your ideas and unleash your mind. SmartPad 2.0, your workflow streamlined.